This is the epic tale of the nation's best talents ready to take a leap, crossing the skies, reaching dreams as high as the universe.
Hai PLNers, saya punya pantun. Ikan kerapu sambal terasi.
Echo, you have been chosen as one of the PLNers to undertake the mission to the moon. It sounds like an impossible mission. However, with training and learning from PLN Corpu, this mission will succeed. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Good luck.
In the midst of the world's rapid changes, companies need to continuously enhance their human resources to be innovative, excellent, and move forward towards transformation. Welcome to PLN Corporate University. We stand as the forefront in the development of globally recognized competencies in energy and electricity. With the spirit of moonshot, let's together bring PLN Pusdiklat's dream to be a top 500 global company and the #1 choice for energy solutions, continuously serve the nation through innovation, digitalization, and energy transition. Are you ready to embrace this mission?
Yes, I'm ready.
As a strategic partner of PLN Pusdiklat, PLN Corpu plays a key role in navigating the changing of global economic landscape, spearheading Transformation 2.0. To fulfill our grand vision, PLN Corpu boasts 17 learning academies, an assessment center, certification units, and a museum of electricity and new energy spread across various regions in Indonesia. Each academy has its own character and specialization, shaping competent employees in areas such as leadership, generation, transmission, distribution, commerce, new and renewable energy, and other areas. On its journey, PLN Corpu applies programs tailored to the company's needs. New employee learning, professional and certification learning, leadership learning, corporate strategic initiative learning, supportive learning, retirement learning. PLN Corpu has developed a digital platform called PLN Catalyst to facilitate participants in obtaining information related to learning, certification, and assessment. This platform is integrated with the HR system and is accessible to the nation's best talents. To create an impactful learning culture, PLN Corpu provides various implementation methods such as digital learning assessments and certification, in-class training, hybrid learning, blended learning, and mentorship programs. PLN Corpu is the first power company in Asia to achieve the Corporate Learning Improvement Process, CLIP, accreditation from the European Foundation for Management Development, EFMD, along with various internationally acclaimed awards, including a Gold Award for Culture from the Global Council of Corporate University, GCCU. This recognition is a result of PLN Corpu's dedication to continuous innovation and consistent improvement in performance, competency, and assessment. PLN Corpu is entrusted as a collaborative partner by various state-owned private companies, government agencies, global companies and organizations, as well as higher education institutions, both domestic and international. PLN Corpu is also a reference for several institutions in corporate university development. With a commitment to realizing its vision and mission, PLN Corpu provides professional and experienced instructors, advisors, coaches, and experts to ensure compliance with global standards. Together with PLN Corpu, let's take bold steps with the spirit of moonshot, exploring the infinite spaces of knowledge, transforming together, reaching the moon full of inspiration.
Now, you're ready to the moon.
PLN Corpu will be the driving force behind PLN in carving a better history in electricity.
Oh ya, saya punya pantun. Ikan kerapu sambal terasi. Bersama PLN Corpu bertransformasi.
PLN Corpu ready for the moonshot.